panihon.
Oh, wow.
Yay!
17.
Oo.
17?
Yun.
Yan pala dapat na gamitin natin.
Yay! May remembrance. I put it here.
Yay!
Outlier yung akin. Yay!
Diyan.
We're on our way to Mount Ulap. Hi family. Hi she named wife. Dati wife lang eh. Dati wife lang yung hi wife, hi wife.
Hi, she. Hi, future wife of Kuya. Meron ko tayo.
Ayun na yun. Hello.
Wife number 1.
Hi Leia. Hello. Ayun lang.
Hello po. Oh, the dog. Did you say hi to the dog?
Where? We'll go to the dog.
Umalis na.
There. Yung mga bata dito parang mga gangster. Like, they own the place.
Anong ginagawa natin ngayon? We're waiting for yung mga tour guide. Ito yung stamp namin para alam nila na we're hiking. Dahil if wala to, parang NPA tayo.
Illegal.
Mga illegal hiker.
Illegal hiker.
Okay, yun lang.
Jet, sige ganyan ka ako for 3 talk.
Yung gawa tayong vlog.
Seriously. Here we go.
Alright. After you. After you. After you. After you. After me.
Wala pa nag-picture tayong 5.
Pako tayo.
Malapit na tayo. Pero pag wala pa nga yung stick mo, malayo pa. Bali doon na yung baba natin. Oo, kasi and then sasakay tayo pabalik. Parang yung kalsada na. Parang tubig.
Okay na. Hindi na tayo umuwi. Ito na yung mga tulap.
Picture na. Ayun, may ulit na.
Ayun na, we made it. Mga tulap.
Edit mo na lang.
Magsabi lang
Kaya na ako, Toro. Let's wait for the car na.
Hindi pwede naman tayo mag-rent ng van paakyat to. Concrete pa to eh.
Iba may motor.
May bayad. Hi, B.
We're at Tutulak. Already.
Naantok ko.
Napitil ka. Tell him if we have any problems. How about
Ay,
financial problems? Me, I join. Steve. Steve.
okay.
Manay, mga shots. Ayan.
Okay.
Video.
Hi.
Ay, hindi sa likod ang Steve.
Ano meaning? Hindi ko maintindihan.
May video na parang couple, tapos lagi nilang kasama yung friend nila.
May
Oo.
yung fifth wheel.
Dito din. Tapos may team song siyang ginawa.
Ito na. Here we are. Tingnan mo. Look mga anak ko.
Under the tree.
Ganda mag-picnic dito.
Go back here. Tapos magpaiwan dito.
Yeah. Ay, ang cute naman itong couple na to. Cute naman ang couple na yun. Lapit tayo dito, B. Hala, uulan? Ba't ganyan yung cloud? Hala? Ito parang pulag na.
Mag-isa lang. Mas kita kasi dun.
May tower doon.
Ako muna mag-isa gabi.
Baka pulag na yun.
Ako ba? Siya. Ano ba? Siya. Wala pwede ako din.
Alright.
Ay, ako
Hi guys, welcome to vlog. Hi, hi. Ganda.
Hi family, hi
You know, oh.
Hi,
Rich.
Punasan mo lang. Punasan mo lang.
Wala, malamig eh.
Magmo-moist yung lens.
Kaya malapit na ba tayo? Malapit na daw, malapit na daw.
Malapit na.
Malapit nang malapit nang bumigay.
Pa sa first pick.
Oo, oh,
Wala pa tayo sa katotohanan.
Hindi ko to ma-flip, no? Yan, yun lang. Ay, I have a pine cone. So, throw mo lang kay Rich. Nag-break ulit kami. Parang hindi ko video yung lakad namin. Pati, break lang yung video. Video ko mamaya yung lakad natin. Wow, how are you, B? Pakita mo yung pinapakinggan natin. Yan. We are listening to
That's the title of the
hiking music. Hindi Vogue.
Bigla ka nang i-intro.
Ano ba yan? Oh, they're leaving na. Tara. Trying out the video. The dual video. Ito, kita tayo. Parang vlogger tayo. Ang hirap.
I'm gonna look at this.
Hindi ko
I'm gonna direct you.
Ayun, yun. Wow. Ang hirap pala.
Bulag.
Oh, the temperature right now. I don't know, I'm looking at the camera.
What's the temperature?
21? 20 degrees.
How did you know it's 21?
Feel ko lang.
Feeling ko.
Pero napapalamig siya dahil mahangin.
There are people at the 2 km mark. 2 km na. 7 kilometers to go.
Namumove pala ito.
Galing.
Pero I don't know if it will move in the video din.
There you go.
Yung maganda if pwedeng i-flip to. Ito. 2 km. Yay! Okay, ayun lang.
Please. I give up with my cup. Just for my shapes.
Ay,
Pabayaan ako.
Well,
Light,
ano,
kuya. Sobrang
safety
light
pin
na.
work dyan.
Pwede. Yeah.
Let's see.
Careful.
tell them what happened.
I was wearing my cap. Then it got broken.
Why?
Because I adjusted.
And now,
Now she's fixing it. Hey, I said vlog with my camera.
It's hard. The
Okay,
material
maybe
is...
we can close it na like that.
Oh, baka ano ka? Matusok ka. Alright.
Careful. Oh, you already made the hit.
Tingnan mo, I'm gonna repair it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, na-repair na.
Thank you, Steve.
Thank you, V. Napin natin yung, ito yung mag-jowa, number 1. Yung kapatid ko.
Jewel counter. Jewel counter. Where's the other couple? Are you afraid of heights, B?
Oh,
No, I look over there later.
pwede naman. Pero ang daming tao.
Mamaya pag-alis na.
Hey!
We're at peak number 1.
Ito na yung peak number 1.
Yeah.
Ayan, we're in peak number 1. And napapahinga lang kami. There, yung view namin. Okay lang. Yay! Iwanan na natin yung mga yan. Photo open.
How about them?
Huh?
How about them?
Oh, I don't know. Look, oh. We don't need to go down. Near route. We're going there. I think we can. Yeah, look what we found. Cow poop. Ang laki ng tae, oh. Tae yan, ang laking tae. Compared to my hand. Ito yung hand ko. Ito yung hand ko. Ang laki ng pupo.
Did you touch it?
Hindi. Ito yung pa ako. Ang laki ng tae.
Poo cow.
Wow, poop cow. Ano? Ano?
The name of the barangay.
Ay, oo nga. Ang
Poo
galing.
cow.
Yun pala yung meaning nun. I feel like we're in Canada.
Huh?
I feel like we're in Canada. Okay, tara lakad. Hello.
Hi.
Eva? Eva?
Kaya
Hey.
We're so high. Kasing tangkad na.
Diba talaga pag pumunta ng Canada?
Oh, mag-bandal tayo. Hindi ka dala yung bandal.
Hindi.
Masarap sa bulut mga ano. Enjoy ka lang.
Hello. Hello. Hello from Canada.
Canada. Hello.
Ganda.
Almost at the top.
Go-abroad na pala tayo. Ito pala yung feeling pag nag-abroad eh. Every weekend. Mag-hiking tayo.
I like it. Look at the shape of that cloud. Parang yung sa dinidrawing natin.
Yeah. Ganda. Hindi mo lang masyadong tao. Naiwan na namin yung tatlo. Wala, oh, there are no people. Baka mahabol nila tayo. Pahinga tayo later. Yay! They made it!
What? Donut?
Ito lang ang donut.
Small donut.
Ah, cute naman na. Baby!
Hi, we're eating.
What are we eating?
Donut. It's crushed donut. I'm gonna eat it.
Ganda dito. May ginagawa ng kapatid ko. Ginawang cameraman yung tour guide.
Paturo kami.
Walang partner. We are at Camp 1 ng Mount Ulap. Hello!
Hi vlog!
Hi vlog!
My channel!
Let's do a vlog section. Vlog section.
And over there, my rain cloud. na hopefully hindi pupunta dito. Kita mo yung rain cloud?
That's Kuya Vloggy.
Tumidilim dun.
And this is me, Vloggy.
Hi vlog!
Hi vlog! What's
Hi
up guys?
vlog!
Mga meron, no?
Ah,
It's a vlog set.
Summit yun.
those wings. I want them too.
I'm holding this one. Selfie?
So ako nakaupo ngayon. Look at that fog. Hi B! Grabe, laki ng fog. Oh. Tingnan mo itong babaeng to. Wala no, foggy no. Tingnan mo. Hindi siya makawala. Hello! Hello! Hi! Alright. Yan. We're heading for ito yung campsite 2. Nearing na the peak. There are people over there.
Take the view there.
What view? Ito pala yung camp.
And CR.
Sholo and Leia. Ayun o. Pwede na mag-wiwi. Ito nakahabol na rin ng camp 2. The cow. Yung bit-bit na bell.
No, but
Ding 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 ding.
it's the ice.
Hindi pa natutunaw.
Yung noisy breathing, but I've been doing it the whole trip. That's my pet peeve. May panyo ka?
Ano?
Nope.
Nakuha mo lahat ng mga tips?
Hindi. Ano lang. Panay lakad-lakad lang.
Oh, that's true.
Are we halfway? Halfway na ba tayo?
Malapit na tayo.
Yun. And
Tama,
then,
diba? Malapit na tayo. Ilang kilometro pa?
Sa summit or sa peak? Sa
Summit.
5.4 sa summit ka 6.5 yung summit.
6 point. Akala ko 2.5 na lang. 6.5 pa pala. Kaya ako nagre-relax. Ang layo pa pala.
Hindi pa kita dito sa summit peak. Ay sa Gonggal Rock ito.
6.5 pa pala. Akala ko 2.5 na lang. Kaya ako nagre-relax.
anong part tayo kakain? Anong lugar?
After the summit. After the summit. Mga
Meron na
15
dun.
minutes from summit.
Okay.
Pwede yun.
If from here po papuntang summit, mga gano'ng katagal?
Depende sa pacing natin.
Average po.
Hmm?
Yung normal na,
Normal. Kaya na siguro ng less than an hour.
okay. Mga 1 hour pa.
Na yung pababa.
Ano ka? Mas mahirap ng pababa.
Mas nag-enjoy ako sa pababa.
You have to
Kita mo
run.
yung ginawa natin kanina sa first peak? Yun.
Yeah, I like it. Mas thrilling. Pwede kang madalas anytime.
Ito yung toilet. Yay! Wow! Donating. Very good, very good. I can pee anywhere. Bye-bye. And be where are we?
We're at Gungal Rock Formation.
Yay! Ito yung popular na rock
Gayahin
here.
natin yung
Yung cow. Pero ang foggy, dito nagpapakuha yung mga tao every time they go to Mount Ulap. Pero unfortunately, foggy today. I-edit na lang natin video guys.
Picture natin sa rito kung wala.
remove the fog.
Ito na yung mga popular cow. Yung mga tae na nakikita namin kanina, dito pala nanggagaling. Oh, nagawa nito. Ay. Iwanin. And now, papunta na kaming Papunta na kami ng summit. Hey.
Tara bro, picture tayo tayo sa alas tayo.
Dito yata nagka-camp eh. Pero ang daming tayo dito. Yeah.
Walang camp dito.
Where? Oh, tara. Ay, ang cute nila. Puntahan natin. Hindi ko lang kung ano yung video kung tayo or yung yung try ko yung double.
Double take mo.
Guys, do your thing.
Do your thing.
Mag-ano siya ulit, Steve. Do your thing.
Ay, kuya.
Okay.
Sa banda, pero magbibideo lang.
1, 2, 3, go!
Friend naman kami. Uy, salamat sa picture.
See you guys!
Bye. Oo, ano? Wala pa rin sa tayo.
Yay!
Ano, sir? Forgot the video, pero we made it to the top already. Ayan. Wow! Dapat may tagline din tayo. Anong tagline natin?
SNS!
What?
So what are you waiting for? Go join SNS!
Alright. Look at that baby cow. Girl or boy? Bakla tong boy. Tigita. Uy, mga lalaki to.
Siga.
If hinawak mo yan, magiging bull to. Alam ko they're different. Parang they're protective of their... Very protective of their children. Grabe yung fog. Hey, we made it to Mount Ulap. Ito yung top of Mount Ulap. And ang lamig right now. As you can see, everything is so foggy. Really foggy. Dati, kanina, kita namin yan. Dito kami humiga. But now, wala na, hindi nakita. What are you doing? Ito parang lolo na to.
I'm scared. He stopped chewing nung makuha ko.
Parang lola na siya. Tingnan mo yung balat niya. Oh. Kulubot na.
Ah, teka. Hindi pa, huwag ka muna mag-stay.
Okay. Wow!
Tayo.
Alright!
Mukhang masaya pa.
Mukha lang masaya yan. Tayo niya pagbaba.
Ito na, we're going down. Bye-bye, top of Mount Ulap. Ulap talaga, literal na ulap. Yun yata, no? Kaya Mount Ulap. Oo, ulap yung lahat, ulap. Alright, we're going down now. Puk. Galing siya kay Rachel. Anyway, we now made it to the food area. Pwede nang bumili ng food. Are you hungry? What do you want to eat? Nope, may bayad. Hindi ito yung hike na covered yung meal. Look at all the people. Ellie pala nandun. Ellie. Hanap muna tayo ng lugar. Daming tao. Laking hotdog ba?
Malapit nang ma-injure yung right knee ko.
Why? You know why?
Whenever nagra-run ako kasi, ito yung weak knee ko.
Where? Show your right knee.
No, but no, nag-16K ako. Ito din yung sinabi.
I think you have to get checked up. Yun yung nangyari kay...
It only happens when it's overexerted.
Yun nga, yun yung nangyari kay Jedi. Nag-dislocate. You have to check if...
Or maybe I should have worn yung mga knee,
Or you have to check if normal ba yung knee mo. Okay. Tum.
So we have trail mix, cranberry yogurt delight, and we also have another trail mix na nutty and nice. And meron din tayong fit bar. And meron tayong nagaray. Yung salty to, yung kayo mix to.
Okay, tell them why we're eating that for lunch.
We're eating this. It's the same thing as you explained.
No,
There's
but in my
onions,
video.
spam, there, rice. That's smooth.
It's wafer. What's that? Dried mango.
Wow. Okay.
May dried mango din.
So they're selling kasi spam, egg, and rice. But it costs 180 pesos. So we're gonna eat snacks na lang and have a proper, decent, affordable meal.
Okay. Begin.
Will there be a stopover?
I hope.
So,
Kami parang hindi na kami maliligo.
or wag mo na.
Hindi, half.
Ito huwag yung in.
Ayan mo na, ayan mo na. Alright. Thank you, Lord, for the meal. Ayun, may dried mango pa. Uy, dito kayo. I'm gonna move to the left.
Masarap yung mix na yun.
I wanna try it.
Tinan mo yung laman.
Ito yung kay Cholo. Ito him.
Almond.
Nutty and nice. Pero ito yung akin. Cranberry yogurt delight.
You're just designing it.
Yeah.
No, she's designing the plate.
Wow,
She's trying to
charcuterie.
white charcuterie. 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 Uy,
Random, bigla na lang may kitten.
yeah, I get it. I get it.
Ayun, Pio, lumbingin mo. Krisha, move. There. Ay! Krisha, will help him. Tingnan mo, hindi siya makaikot dahil nakatali yung ano. Stuck siya. Ay, let them interact. Ay!
Wanna come? Wanna go to Manila?
Naalala mo yung kay Davey? Bago siya nakulong. Ang cute nakatali, oh.
Pula pusa.
Sige, pag ikaw pinalmut niya na, walang ano dito. Walang anti-rabies dito.
Ginagawa mong Miyu, Pochi yung kitten eh. Yun yung palagi niya ginagawa. Bye-bye, kitten.
Let's go.
Wait, pero not bad. Yung 35.
Luto na.
For pancit canton, 35. Pero ano yun? Hindi natin alam na meron palang other na anong bentahan. Ha?
Saan din eh?
Yung alin? Ah, yung route pa, kuya.
Dito.
Ah, dito. Tara.
Uy, ano ka desert chicken?
Magiging 2 hours and a half yun.
Ang daming detour. Parang hindi nakakakita ng manok. Left or right? Left. Okay, we're gonna go home na. Hey, okay na kami. We're done with pull up.
ha?
Pwede dun. Bulag. Sino maligo?
Ito lang ba? Or meron pa iba?
May ibang liguan yata dito. With my friend Ellie. Ito van natin eh. Look at that yellow van. Yan yung van namin na maalog, alog, 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 alog. We're done with Mount Ulap. Wow! Look how deep. The elevation. I wonder ano nangyayari kay Cholo and Rachel and Leia. Mining. Kaya pala. Kaya pala ubi mining talaga oh. Ayun na. Naabot na rin niya. Bye Ellie. Friend from work na ngayon ko lang nakita ulit. Okay, we're gonna take a bath now.
Nag-vlog.
We did it! I have to control it, but then if I don't control it, it's gonna be like kanina.
How about Cholo and Leia?
Wala ba na yan?
Anong malaban na yun?
Maya pa.
We'll wait for them right
There.
there.